everyone, this is Avijit here. Welcome to my channel Crafting with Avijit. Today I will show you to make chocolate gift box. So let's get started. First of all, I'm taking a 15 into 16 cm craft paper. Now mark 1 cm on this side. And fold this edge. Now fold it in 4 parts. Now unfold the paper. Mark 2 cm on the two sides and fold. And fold again. Now cut the corners. Next, using glue, join the edge with the other side. Now, using small size rubber band, close the two sides. Now our chocolate gift box is ready. If you like my video, please press the thumbs up and share it.